Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the track 4 of learning Microsoft Excel tricks. In this track, we will be learning that how to count the numbers, which is the most important. Whenever in a data you want to find the numbers, that how much numbers means the terms are available in a data. So you will learn this with the help of example for the better understanding. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So we will explain that how to count the numbers in a data with the help of example. So let's suppose this is a data. So this is the data from here to here, and we want to find that how much numbers. That means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cells means the numbers in this data. This is what we call as the count numbers. So we will select first the cell and then we'll write the equal sign. When you write the equal sign, then you will write the COUNT count and double click, and then you will select the data, and when you select the data, then you will click enter. So now you can see there is total of 12 numbers. So you can count also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is simple, but in a complex data you have to use this formula, that how to calculate the numbers. So once again I will explain that how to count the number. So first you will select the cell and then we'll write the equal sign and then write the count, COUNT count, and then double click on this count and then select the data. When you select the data, then you will simply press the enter. You can see this is 12. So it means that there are 12 numbers in this data. So if you have any questions that how to find means count to count the numbers in a data, you can ask in the comment sections. And thank you for watching this video.